guys, it's Marcia Whitfield, healthy chef, and this is Everything-diet. So I created the tutorial in 3 parts. The tutorial itself is 50% plant-based and it's 50% protein-based. Now, you can make it all plant-based, you could make it all protein-based, that's up to you. You know, this is your plan. I'm just saying, here's my diet plan that really works, that I've tested over and over and over again for the last close to decade with clients. And so I'm giving you that game plan, okay? So you can do whatever you want with it, but if you are here to diet, I would say follow my plan and then adjust down the road. If you're here just to jazz up and spruce up your recipes, cool, enjoy. Now, I have put in pauses throughout the video, but you need to pause as much or as little as you need to. This is for you. I'm not gonna leave you behind by you pausing the video. I need you to pause so that you can catch up, and I want you to do it as much or as little as you need to. I know some of you are gonna be really fast, and others of you, this is new, so that's okay. I'm not gonna leave you behind. Now, how this video differs from most of the meal plans that are online and guides and things is that we're doing this in real time. So it's like I'm standing with you in the kitchen and we're doing it together. So whereas most meal plans and recipes, they kind of take you through one recipe, and so from start to finish, you do this one recipe. Well, we're not gonna do that because that wastes a lot of time. And I'm working with you and I work fast, and so you're gonna follow me. And so that's gonna make you faster, and I'm gonna get you guys so fast, you're gonna be so impressed with your own skills in the kitchen. So at the end of the first video, you'll always have anywhere from 3 to 4 dishes, and usually 2 servings of each of those dishes. So you'll end up with a total of about 8 dishes, right? And then for the protein dishes in video 2, that usually is one-off items, and then sometimes I'll throw in something that's usually you can get 2 orders or 2 servings out of, right? Because the idea of meal prepping is to give yourself back some time. Obviously, I designed it to be zero waste because I like people saving money and I like people following a plan. I think, you know, for the most part, I'm giving you the game plan and I'm showing you how to do the game plan, which makes a huge difference, I think, in your success with this program. I think you're going to be ultimately very successful, and I know you guys are going to be so happy, and I know you're going to love the recipes because I've been doing it a long time and people love my stuff, man. All right, I'm Marcia Whitfield, healthy chef, and this is Everything-diet.